Now, the police are appealing to residents of Bull Bay for assistance in stemming crime and violence in the area. As we reported, the appeal follows a double murder in the community of Tanquil. In the community of Tanquil, Sandy Williams reports.
Residents of Tanquil in Bull Bay, St. Thomas woke up Thursday morning to heavy police presence and the all-too-familiar yellow tape, signs that something had gone wrong. It was not long before residents learned that two of their own were murdered. The dead men have been identified as 29-year-old O'Shane Prince and 24-year-old Swyson Reese. Both men are brothers.
About 12:40 a.m. this morning in the Tanquil area of Bull Bay, a family was in their house asleep when their door was kicked open by men posing as police, armed with rifles and handguns. They ordered 3 males from the house on the outside, and they proceed to, from there they proceed to shoot the males. One of the males escaped unhurt, whilst the other 2 died on the spot.
The gunmen then set 2 houses ablaze before escaping. No one was injured in the fire. The mother of the deceased men, who did not want to speak on camera, says she's not sure why her sons were killed.
Tell you the truth, from I was living here, I never feel that way like I feel this morning. And I feel hurted. For know that my son haven't done anyone anything, and they have just died like that. But I leave everything in the hands of God.
But head of the St. Thomas Police, Superintendent Alison Byfield, believes the killings stem from a feud between men from 9 miles and 11 miles in Bull Bay.
The police has been in the area over the last couple of weeks with operations cordon and search, targeted raid and snap raids in a bid to apprehend persons, especially a wanted man who resides in these areas. We are unable to lay our hands on him, but yet we are still making effort. We are pursuing, and we are making effort to apprehend him. We are asking the citizens to cooperate with the police in a bid to apprehend.
Superintendent Byfield is appealing to residents to help the police bring crime under control in the area.
We are asking the citizens to cooperate with the police in a bid to apprehend persons who are involved in criminal activities in these areas, so we can have some normalcy restored to these areas, so persons can live their life and go about their livelihood in a peaceful, calm, and lawful way.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.